Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Desi body. Achieving a strong and fit physique involves a holistic strategy. We'll cover the essential pillars: proper nutrition, effective training, and adequate rest. This guide aims to provide you with actionable steps to sculpt your desired physique, emphasizing consistency and smart choices for long-term success. Let's dive into the details to help you start your journey today. Nutrition is paramount for building a strong physique. Aim for a high protein intake, roughly 1 gram per pound of your body weight, to support muscle repair and growth. Incorporate complex carbohydrates like brown rice and whole grains for energy, and don't forget healthy fats from sources like nuts and avocados. Remember to drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses, to keep your body functioning optimally and aid in nutrient absorption. Your training regimen should be both challenging and consistent. Aim for 3 to 5 resistance training sessions weekly, focusing on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses are incredibly effective. Remember the principle of progressive overload. Continuously strive to lift heavier or perform more repetitions. Also, include some cardiovascular work for overall fitness and heart health. Recovery is just as vital as your workouts and diet. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as this is when your muscles repair and grow. Give your body sufficient rest days to prevent overtraining and injury. Managing stress is also crucial, as high stress levels can hinder your progress. Remember, building a lasting physique is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is the ultimate key to achieving your goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.